Well, welcome to this video. This is the impromptu one because the darts, for some reason, fuel has backtracked down its path. Bugger off, will you? So, I'll try and undo these again now.
Well, one by one again.
Yeah. Done. Yeah, this time, because I know what I'm doing, I can undo like 3 of them at once.
Yeah.
And they're now not at the level of 6 million tightness.
Oh.
Although probably I think they might have been needed to be a bit tighter because I think air's got back in, which is why we're now having the problem today.
Yeah.
Right. Just let me secure this GoPro a little bit better. It's going to vibrate like a fucker now. Yeah. Right. Well, crank it, yeah. Keep going, it's fuel again. Right. Give the starter just a second. Go for it before we run back out of fuel. Yeah. Right. Nearly there. I can hear the starter, you see, running at like 600 RPM. Right, go on. Yeah, go. Right. The last one's outside. Because I had to get 5 of them the other day, didn't I? Before it start up. Just make sure they're all tight and not letting air back in. Now I've actually got fuel in the cylinder. So if I can get this one off. If I can get this one off, this will help. Fucking hell, that one's well on. Just try now.